What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya, and today we're going to be reviewing this booming crash strategy that managed to make me over $400. If you are new to this channel, welcome. I review different trading strategies daily, and if you're interested in learning more about trading, then make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you are notified whenever I post a video. Okay, so today here are the results of the strategy that I want to review to you guys that I've been studying. Like I said, I review strategies here on this channel each and every single day, and I teach a lot about trading right here on this platform. Okay, so this is how the strategy looks like. We are going to go through the settings of this strategy on talking about how to set up the strategy, the indicators that you see. I'm going to share with you guys all the indicators. We're going to talk about the conditions of this strategy. We're going to do some live trading sessions together, some back testing and some forward testing together, so that we see exactly how this strategy operates. And if you guys really enjoy and find this information very useful, don't forget to click that like button so that this video reaches a lot of people. Okay, so this is how the strategy should look like by the end of this video. This is something that you should have on your charts by the end of this video. I'll just try and increase the zoom level so that you guys can clearly see what we are talking about. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get into the settings, and then we'll move on to how to use the strategy. And like I said, we'll do some live trading together. So what I'll do right now is I'll remove all these indicators so that we'll have a step-by-step process together of installing the strategy. Okay, as you can see now, I have a blank chart. I am on crash 1000 and this is my 15-minute time frame. Okay, like I said, this is a booming crash strategy. It works on all booming crash indices that we have. Talk about boom 300, boom 500, boom 1000, crash 300, crash 500, and the crash 1000 that we are on right now. So don't worry, all on booming crash, this one works on all of them. Okay, so the first indicator that we want to install is going to go to our main chart. So I'm going to go to my indicators section. For those that don't know the procedure, this is how you install indicators on your mobile. Okay, so I'm going to go to main window. Then the first indicator that we want to install is a moving average, which is this one. And this moving average is going to have the following properties. We're going to have a period of 50. The shift is going to be 0. The method is going to be exponential, and then apply to close. Okay, and there are no levels on this one. And then on visualization, the time frame is all time frames. We want this indicator to appear on all of our time frames. And then the style, I chose the color blue. Please try and stick to the colors that I'm using within this video so that you won't get lost, because I'll be referring to these colors during the video. Okay, and then if we click done, if we have a blue line running across our charts, and we do, which means we have successfully installed the first indicator. Now let's move on to the next indicator that we need. This indicator is going to form part of our indicator window 1. So going back again to indicators, we're going to click on main window, and we're going to look for the money flow index. This is the next indicator, the money flow index. Okay, which is right here. So this money flow index is going to have the following properties. We have a period of 14. We've got volumes, sticks, there are no levels, and then on time frame should be all time frames. Then the color we're going to choose red. Okay, this is going to be our main indicator, or our main signal indicator, so we really need to see it very nice and clear. Okay, so we're going to click done, and as you can see, we now have that red line, solid red line running across our charts, which is good. Then we are supposed to move on to the next indicator, which is the final indicator. So going back to indicators, we're going to click where it says indicator window 1, and you're going to install an indicator called the stochastic oscillator, which is right here. And this stochastic oscillator will have the following properties that you see on my screen. Now we've got a percentage K period of 1, a percentage D period of 1, a slowing of 1, a price field of low high, a method of exponential. And then on levels, this is very important. We're going to need these levels, these two levels. We're going to need level 85 and we're going to need level 15. Okay, and our level 85 will be our sell level, and then our level 15 will be our buy level. Okay, then we click done, and on style, our main should have our main and our signal should actually have the same color as our background color. So I have a white background, that's why you see my main and my signal are all white. This is what you should do as well. So if I click done, you see that there is only that red line and no other line within our indicator window 1, which is exactly what we wanted. Okay, this is good. So let's get into, we have successfully installed our strategy. Let's get into how to actually use it. When do you buy, when do you sell, what do you sell, and what you buy. Okay, but before we talk about that, please don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you are notified whenever I post a video. And if you want to get deeper understanding, if you want to see my trading results, more of my trading results, if you want to see my students' results, those that I mentor or those that I give VIP signals, feel free to join the Telegram channel that is in the description box below. It's completely free to join. Just click the link and it will take you straight to our Telegram channel where we post more often on a daily basis. Basically, we sort of like chat and interact on a more personal level. You'll be able to see some of our account management program, our signals program, and anything to do about trading. Like I said, this platform shares everything to do on trading. So you never know, you might get help and you might start to see some better results. So I'll leave the link in the description box below so that you can just click it and join. It's a platform with over 7,000 people in there. So don't forget to check it out as well. Okay, so let's talk about how to use this strategy. There's so many ways you can use this strategy, of course, but I'll talk about the main ways that I found very interesting and that I found very helpful for you guys. Okay, I want to go to my Crash 500. Let's start with some simpler examples, I might say. Okay, so the trick is you need to know your trend, and this is why this blue line is here. The reason why we installed the blue line is for you to know your trend very easily. When your candlesticks are above the blue line, you are in an uptrend. And when your candlesticks are below the blue line, you are in a downtrend. Okay? Once you have, this is the only use for blue line right here. Like I said, this red line is going to be the one that's giving us signals to enter into the market and get some trades. But your trend, you're going to get it from your main chart using your price action. This EMI 50 is going to act as our trend line. So basically just go to your 50-minute time frame and check candlesticks above my blue line. If yes, then it means we're in an uptrend. So currently we're in an uptrend, and then if candlesticks are below, then you're in a downtrend. When you are trading crash, remember I always try and teach you guys scalping like I do. As you can see, I was going against the spikes. This crash 500, we were buying. So basically we are buying crash and selling boom. Okay, it works both ways. I just don't prefer trading spikes. With this strategy, I just don't prefer trading spikes, but you can do it anyways. It works. I want you guys to try things out. I think that's the best way to learn. Send me some results. Let's talk about this. Send me your queries, comment down below. Anything, any question that you need clarity on, I'll definitely do a part 2 that explains that. So if you guys want a part 2, just say part 2 and then your question down, and then I'll make a video up for you guys. Okay, so let's talk about the strategy. How do you buy crash? This is crash 500. First of all, if you want to buy crash, you have to be in an uptrend, right? And we said, how do you establish that? You got your 15-minute time frames. If your candlesticks are above your 15-minute time frame, it means you're in an uptrend. So anywhere from this line going all the way up, from here going all the way up, I know that we were in an uptrend. So we're trying to do some back testing here. And then once you have established your trend, you're going to go to your 1 minute time frame. This is where you're going to get your entries. Remember, you are scalping and you're trying to get a few pips and jump out of the market. Okay, from your 1 minute time frame, you're going to be using your indicator window 1 from there. Obviously, you want to enter trades on every retracement. So this red line is going to tell you whenever the market pulls down, but it's in an uptrend, then it needs to go back up, which means it's just a correction, it's just in retracement. The market breathes in and out then. So this red line is going to help you know where the market is breathing down. It will help you know when the market is down to the point that you can buy and go up with it. That's how this indicator. It's basically called the money flow index, which means it's going to tell you where the money is at any particular point in time. Which means whenever you get to this level 15 at the bottom here, it means the market flow index is telling you that people are adding money to sales and we are about to go up because we are in an uptrend. Remember, we can't keep selling. So these dips are your buy trends, and as you can see, the market will go up each and every time. So each and every time you experience a dip, your market will go up. So basically, our money flow index is going to tell this is because of the spike. So you just wait for the spikes to occur and then you go up with them. Okay, but they have to occur to this extent. This is where the indicator comes in. You need to know that we are below level 15. You can't just sell, we can't just buy here just because you see there's a spike. No, it has to go all the way down just to show you the momentum or the extent at which the sellers are in, so that you can actually buy at the cheapest price that's being offered with the market. I hope you guys are understanding this. Can you see? I'm saying you can't just use the spikes to know that the market is down. Why? Because the market will be right here at this point. Can you see? But you can't press a buy because the market is still falling. You don't know the moment. You don't know that the retracement is over. So this indicator is going to help you know that the retracement is over. We're going to go back up, and once you reach this bottom, can you see? This is the same bottom as this, and you go all the way up with the market. So I hope you guys really understood this. Maybe I'll do a part 2 on boom if you guys request for it. If you have understood, then try to implement this on boom. If you haven't, then you need to check it out. Until next time.